email or call with your inquiry. A site survey can be arranged once our technician has reviewed the pictures for feasibility. CAD drawings are produced and sent with your quotation. If you want to proceed, please send us an email with your purchase order. Once your order has been received, an installation or delivery date will be booked and the components are picked and packed. The system is then fitted.
Hello, I'm Jodie. I'm the shop manager at Campus & Co Hastings. We'd like to say thank you to Rapid Ramps for their quick installation and delivery of the ramp they installed here. We had a few time constraints which they were happy to work around and installed on a bank holiday weekend, which made it very easy for us here in store. Thank you very much to Rapid Ramps.